Student. This is math new book, ninth class. So we were on exercise 9.3 and we have done 2 questions already in previous videos. Now we are doing question number 3, that is two right cones have volume in the ratio 16:125. What is the ratio of their heights and their base area? We have to find this question has 2 parts. So first we will solve this part by using the ratio, that is volume ratio. So volume ratio is given, that is V1 V2 is equal to 16:125. Student, by mistake I have written wrong question. This is not 16, this is 64. As this is 64 instead of 16. So this is given. Write question carefully. It is given. And what we have find in first part, their height, ratio of height. So H1 ratio H2 we have to find. So what is the relation between the volume and the height? So V1 ratio V2 is equal to H1, as volume is equal to cube of any length, either it is radius, length or height, whatever it is. In this question they use the word height, so instead of L or radi R, we use H. So H1 cube ratio H2 cube. This we can write volume ratio as fraction V1 upon V2 is equal to H1 cube over H2 cube. So now put the values 64 V1 and then 125 H1 cube over H2 cube. So as we have to find H1 over H2 ratio, so this is in cube, we have to eliminate their cube. How we can eliminate? By taking cube root. So taking cube root on both sides. This cube root we will apply on separately. H1 cube and its cube root. H2 cube is equal to 64 cube root and cube root of 125. So this cube will cut with this cube root. This will be H1 over H2, and that is cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 125 is 5. So we can write this as H1 ratio H2 is equal to 4:5. Student, this is second part, that is we have to find the base area. We have done the first part. Now second part, we find the base area. In previous part we have find H1 H2 is equal to 4:5. We find. Now we have to find the base area. Area ratio we have to find A1 ratio A2. Now what is the ratio of this corresponding side with area? That is, we will take these two sides instead of volume. We have to take the sides H1 over H2. Now when area comes, then we have to take the square of the sides. Now we will put the values of this h1 and h2, that is 4 and 5. 16 or 25, and in ratio we will write this 16 to 20. This is out. We will use the side of the corresponding the answer of the previous part, and we take the side, that is 4/5, and area and side come as a1 over a2 is equal to h1 square. When area comes, then you have to take the square and a volume, that's cube. So this is all about question number 3.